Today, we're here to talk about safety glasses, a product you use every day in your facility. Our Core Supplier Gateway has recently introduced a model that takes a step up from the basic style of safety glasses, the Ellipse. The Ellipse is the latest addition to the Temple technology line from Gateway. Its design is both cost-effective and practical. In the field, our team is seeing great responses to the Ellipse glasses. To demonstrate this feedback, we spoke with 3 employees from a customer in Cleveland, Ohio. Each of these employees were wearing a basic pair of safety glasses provided by their employer. We asked these employees what they thought of their current pair.
They feel a little bit snug around the sides of my face, and I feel like they kind of slide down, and it gets hot and fogs up.
They probably spend more time off my face because I'm cleaning them and adjusting them than they are on my face.
These glasses fog up a lot. With the humidity change, you're sweating, your glasses will instantaneously fog up when you're running on a machine going in and out.
Next, we asked them to try on the Ellipse and to give us their initial reaction.
Oh wow, these are great. These are great, lightweight.
Wow, they're really light. I don't really feel them around the sides of my face. I don't feel like I'm wearing them.
No rubbing on the ears, they don't even touch your ears at all, they go right around your head.
We let them continue their work for the day, but came back later to get their opinions.
I'd much rather wear these all day than the other ones. They're totally more comfortable.
After a whole day, they didn't fog up. That's normally the problem that I have with safety glasses.
The 3Fs, form, fit, and function. They all pass my eyes, so these are some really great safety glasses.
If you are interested in seeing how your team likes the Ellipse, contact your local JIS technical field salesman or order 24/7 at www.jis.com.